here to train and advise the 2nd Mobile Strike Force Brigade of the Afghan National Army, which is a special organization within the ANA. It's important for their people to see them out there doing these things, knowing that they're out there. And until recently, most of the Afghan population doesn't know that they have this own advanced unit out there. This isn't about Afghan soldiers being put out for show. This is about Afghan soldiers conducting operations and their own people seeing them do it. That's just a side effect of what they're really doing, which is being out there and securing this national strategic asset. Not ISAF strategic, Afghan strategic.